What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So you probably already watched part 1. This is part 2 of tips for your OnlyFans. This is like general tips. The first one was tips before you start your OnlyFans. So let's just get into this one. Okay, so like I said, these are more like general tips before we get started. As always, I'm going to $3 sale for the next week for my OnlyFans. Ladies, take the time to subscribe for this cheap price so you can get ideas on what to put on your OnlyFans. Fellas, go subscribe to my OnlyFans. You won't regret it. It is the first link on my link tree. My link tree will be pinned in the pinned comment and also in my description. So go on my link tree, click that first link, and you will be sent to my OnlyFans. Also, ladies, promote yourself in the comments. Drop your OnlyFans links down in the comments. And also, if you have not signed up for OnlyFans yet, go on my link tree and click the second link, and you'll sign up through my referral link. And if you sign up through my referral link, you get free weekly promo. So go use my referral link if you have not signed up for OnlyFans yet. Also, I have my OnlyFans promo email in my description. Use that email to get in touch with me about promo or any other questions you have, just because my other email is flooded and my social media is flooded with questions. So use that because it'll be easier to get in contact with me. And right now I'm only doing promo for free accounts, so just keep that in mind when you email me. Yeah, I think we cover all those bases. Let's get into the 5 tips for OnlyFans. First is to promote yourself. Just really promote yourself. I've covered this in several videos. Twitter is probably the best thing you can use to promote yourself. I know a lot of girls use Reddit. I personally don't use that because I'm not familiar with that website at all, but I know girls that have had success on it and some girls hate it. But I think Twitter is probably like the most popular place to promote your OnlyFans because Twitter allows you to post whatever content on there. So if you're looking for somewhere to promote yourself, definitely use Twitter. I had a video, I'll try, if I remember, if I watch this back, I'll put in the the video that I talk about how you promote yourself on Twitter. You have to promote yourself because otherwise no one's gonna know that you're posting, because like OnlyFans isn't like Twitter and Instagram. Like, it doesn't have a timeline. Like, you have to promote yourself to get subs. So promote yourself. Also, a good idea is to create a separate Twitter. I personally have 2 Twitters because I don't like to flood my main Twitter account with OnlyFans content because that can get kind of like tiring. So create a separate Twitter and just follow like a whole bunch of guys or whoever your audience is, girls, you know. Just follow a bunch of people. Yeah, create another one. Even if you don't use it that often, I just don't like the idea of flooding my like main account with like OnlyFans content. If you're okay with that, do it, but I personally have 2 Twitter accounts. So the second tip is to always have major discounts. And I know you're like, girl, if I have a major discount, I'm not making no money. Actually, you'll make more money. And here's how. My OnlyFans account, like when I do this video, it's $3. Majority of the time, my OnlyFans is going to be on sale. Your first month is always going to be significantly less than it is for your next month. So you draw your fans in with that, you know, little amount, and then the next month they pay the full amount. No one's gonna pay $20 for their first month because they don't know what they're getting yet. But if you have like a major sale, like $3, they're just gonna pay that because that's not $3 like I could find that on my couch. You feel me? So they're gonna pay the $3, and then next month they're gonna pay, you know, 20, 30, whatever your OnlyFans is a month, and that's where you're gonna make the money. And also $3 times, if you get, there's been times where I got 100 fans in a day. That shit adds up. You know, they see a $3 discount, they're going to subscribe, and that adds up. And then the next month if they stay, the 100 people stay and they pay the $20. You can see where this is going. Like, that's money. Also, most of your money is made in tips on OnlyFans, so just getting people there to pay for like the extra content, you're making money. So don't think about it like, oh, if I'm only making $3 off every fan, like that's not really nothing. It is. It turns out to be like, maybe not right away, but eventually that $3 can turn into $100 with tips and like their monthly subscription. Third tip, always have freebies. They really appreciate it. Like my fans specifically, they appreciate when I have like a freebie pick, like something I would normally charge them for. Like if you're doing XX content, I do lingerie content, but if, you know, I'm just assuming most people are doing XX content or lingerie content like myself. So, you know, give them a free like 30-second clip or a free pic. They'll really appreciate it, and sometimes they even still tip. Like if you give them a freebie, you'll send it to them and they'll still tip you, which is really nice. And it just shows them that, you know, you're thinking about them, you care. Like you're not all about the money, but you know you are. But you know, it shows some appreciation in them, and it makes them want to stay, because you know they never know when they're going to get a freebie again. So you know, they gotta stick around and see. Fourth tip, be consistent. Be consistent, ladies. Be consistent. I always say it's best to post daily if you can, especially if you're just starting out. When I was first starting out, I was posting daily. Now I do 3 to 4 times a week, but if you can, post daily. Like they want to know that you're active on your OnlyFans account and they're paying to actually communicate with you. So also like reply to your messages daily. Don't leave them hanging for like long periods of time. Like I went on vacation last month, and I just made a post. Like I may not be as fast with replying to messages, I might not be posting as often because I'm on vacation, but I still communicated that to them. Like you cannot just leave them hanging, because they're not going to want to subscribe to you like the following month if they think that you're like flaky or you don't post enough. So just be consistent and reply to their messages on a daily basis if you can. Definitely reply to messages on a daily basis. Even if you can't post on a daily basis, at least post 3 to 4 times a week. And the 5th tip is to stick to your limits. I kind of covered this in my first video. Like before you start, I said, you know, make strict limitations that you're not going to cross. But that just goes into this video. Like stick to those limits that you set for yourself. Don't let no one pressure you into sending something that you're going to regret. Don't have guys be like, oh, you know, just this once, just to me. Don't fall for that. Like stick to your limits. Don't let no one pressure you into sending something you're uncomfortable with, because it'll be that one time that something gets out that you don't want to get out, and you're gonna be like, damn, I wish I wouldn't have sent this. Well, don't hit a pipe. I don't care how much money they offer you. I had guys offer me hundreds of dollars for shit I was not comfortable with. And you know, I thought about it, but I'm like, no, because it's gonna be that one time. The first time is gonna be the one time that my shit is all across the internet. And no, stick to your limits. Stick to your motherfucking limits, okay? Don't let these niggas pressure you. Don't let them pressure you. Because they will. And when you say no, they might be mad, but it doesn't matter. Okay? It doesn't matter. Let them be mad. So that's it for this tips video. If this was helpful, let me know what other OnlyFans videos you guys want to see. Y'all know I'm trying to do more of these because I just love helping people, and I feel like I'm like the OnlyFans coach, okay? Like I said, subscribe to my OnlyFans. First link on my link tree, and use my referral code if you have not signed up for OnlyFans yet. Second link on my link tree, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, duh, for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.